how to cook a quesadilla.
Now the place is gonna blow up.
Put some butter on it, and then put a simple on the stove like so. Ha! Now take some cheese
And any kind of cheese.
open it up.
Not like she can.
Holy cheese.
I found the opening. Okay, so now, after a couple minutes, flip it over, and now take your cheese and put it on it.
You sort of missed.
Put it on it like so. Now take another one.
And just do the same thing.
But don't throw it again because your cheese is going to get all icky. Okay. So now, you put the cheese right there and this cheese right there. And wait. You should close it. No! You don't close it yet. Chef knows best.
No, you don't. We're going on commercial. Bye.
This old butter have smart balance. I can't believe it's not real. I mean, real. And it's original with flax, whatever that is, and it supports healthy cholesterol levels. Give it up for smart balance. Welcome back to Chef Kendra. Cheese is now all melted. You can fold it, or if you'd like something on it, like ketchup or mild sauce.
You don't want that on there.
But I don't want it on there, so now I will close it like so, in half. Now, you sit and wait. We'll be right back after a couple of these commercials.
Being so cold. Well, now you have Nestle Rainbow Milk Chocolate Hot Cocoa Mix. Just get a cup with nice warm water. Put about 2 spoons of Nestle inside your cup. Mix it all together, and you know you got the best of cold worlds. Ooh. Back from commercial break.
To Chef Kendra. Now, what you want to do is you want to flip it over like so and let it sit. Please enjoy these commercials. Are you tired of your hands being stuck when you're cold and you can't get the controller? Well, now there's the Snuggie, the blanket with sleeves. Now you can sit and watch TV easily, and it will keep you warm. Unlike that girl who's racing and can't reach the controller, I can reach it perfectly. You can take us anywhere, and it fits all sizes. We even had new ones for dogs. If you have a dog that needs to use the controller to watch TV.
Now you have the Snuggie, the blanket with sleeves.
Dun dun dun!
We're back with Kendra, cooking with Chef Kendra.
Hello. Now, you may flip it over, and if it's crispy on the inside, that means it's done.
But wait, you have to do the other side.
So now you have to wait for the other side to be done. We'll be back in a couple minutes after these commercials.
Bye. Is your goldfish dying because you don't give it the right food?
Goldilocks, don't die on me!
Do you want to be sad like that poor child? Well, now you can give it Wardley Essentials Goldfish Flakes. It really works. Just pour a couple dabs in there. Couple. That's it. And watch it eat and grow in amazement.
Oh my gosh! Thanks for not letting my fishy die.
You're welcome.
Hi, welcome back to Chef Kendra. We are almost done here.
You're fat.
it again. Bye. Bye.
I make them good girls go bad. I make them good